In this project, we will learn how to add a background to a video and match with the foreground of the subject. So let's take a look how to do that. We have to add a video clip, and that's why we have to select this file menu, and from there here is the import option, and I'm selecting this green background video clip and I'm selecting open. The video is added to our project and I want to add this video to our timeline. So here is the video clip, and let me scale this video with our frame size. I'm selecting right button from my keyboard, from my mouse, and here is scale to frame size option. I'm selecting scale to frame size. Now it's fit with our sequence frame size, and now I will remove this green background. So as you've seen before how to remove the green background, you just need to select effect option, and from there you have to select this ultra key effect. So I'm adding this ultra key effect to our video. I'm selecting ultra key, and in source monitor here's the effect control option, and from there you have to select the ultra key option, and here is the key color. So I'm selecting this key color option and I'm selecting green background. So you can take a look that the green background is removed, and you can take a look a little white spot is in here, and we want to remove this clearly, and that's why we have to select the settings, and from there we will select this aggressive. Now you can take a look the difference between before and after. Now there is no small white dot in here, and right now this video clip we will add to another video clip. So let's take a look how to do that. So that's why we have to add another video clip, and that's why I am going back to my project panel, and let me import another video clip. I'm adding another video clip. Here is a fountain video I'm importing to our project, and let me take this video clip to video 2 track bar, and I'm adding this fountain video to our video track 1 bar. So here it is, and here it is a sound along with this video clip, and I want to remove this sound. To remove the sound part from this video, you just have to select right button from your mouse, and here is the unlink option. I'm selecting this unlink option, and I'm selecting this audio clips, and I'm pressing delete button from my keyboard. So right now there is no music. So let me play this video clip. I'm playing this video clip, and you can take a look. Both video are playing at once, and the green screen removed video is now set with our fountain video. And you can take a look. Here is a small gap in this video, and let's fix this out. I'm selecting this green screen video, and from there I'm selecting this position option, and you can choose the position as you want to select the position. If you want to take left or right, you can select the area where this female will stand. So let me take it in right side, so that's why I am increasing the right side position. Here it's fine, and I want to bring this down a little. Now it's fine. Let me play this video once again. So I'm playing this video clip, and now it looks nice. So this is how you will add a background and match with foreground subject. Thank you.